I'll be recommending part 1 list of rom-com Turkish series which you must binge watch. So this video is specially for the people who love watching rom-coms. So the first one is Çilek Kokusu. In English we say strawberry smell. Okay, this series is a sweet short rom-com Turkish series, and I remember when I was watching this series, it's just ended and I was like, no, it can't be ended. I mean, it's so addictive and one of my comfort series to binge watch. So if I talk about the storyline, so it's a story of Asli and Burak. So Asli is a poor young girl. She's working in a bakery shop. On other hand, Burak belongs to a very rich family and he's a big time playboy. So what happens in this story is that Asli loses her job because of Burak, and how this happened, it's very funny and you'll enjoy watching that their fight. So their story started with a fight. So but because of this, Asli hates him and she doesn't want to meet him again. But the destiny has other plans. She meets him again, and in that process they both end up falling in love with each other. So you'll enjoy that slow burn romance. So it has enemies to lover vibes. Also, this series is specifically for the people who love watching short rom-com Turkish series, so they'll enjoy watching this one. And yes, it has a very sweet happy ending. Second one is Aşk Laftan Anlamaz. In English we say love doesn't understand words. Okay, this series is one of the popular rom-com Turkish series, especially because of the chemistry between Hayat and Murat. They look so damn good together. So this series is especially for the people who are new to Turkish series, who have just started watching Turkish series. So they should start with this one. They will have a great time watching it. And if I talk about the storyline, so story revolves around Hayat and Murat. Hayat is a poor girl and she's in a big pressure to get a job at any cost. Otherwise, she'll be forced to get married and she'll be returning back to her hometown. So she's in a big pressure by her mother. On other hand, Murat is a rich businessman and he has a very strong kind of personality, which I loved it. So Burak Deniz is playing the role of Murat, and I love Burak Deniz. He is so good. I guess you also love Burak Deniz. I mean, he's one of the popular actor in Turkish industry. So what happens in this series is that Hayat gets a job in Murat company, and how, for that you have to watch it. And that is a big secret which Hayat hides from Murat. So it will bring love-hate relationship between them because of this. So it has enemies to lover vibes, office romance, and it has lot of jealousy scenes because of the possessive character of Murat. He's a big time possessive person. So you'll enjoy watching their jealousy scenes as well. And especially I love the friendship bond between Hayat and her friends. It has been beautifully shown. So overall it's a binge worthy series and it has a very beautiful happy ending. Next is Erkenci Kuz. In English we say Daydreamer. It's another popular rom-com Turkish series. People love this series, and also the chemistry between Can and Senem. So it's a story of Senem and Can. So Senem is a girl who has dreams. She has a dream to become a writer, but she's working in her father's shop. Also, she has a pressure that if she doesn't get a job, so then she'll be forced to get married like Hayat did, which I talk about in the previous series. So it will give you that same similar vibes. On other hand, Can belongs to a very rich family. Also, he's a very famous photographer and his nature is very different. He's a very free bird kind of a person. So what happens is that Senem gets a job in Can company and her sister play a major role in that. So her sister is also working in Can company, and I love the character of Senem. She is very different. She's cute and funny. So she gets a job there and you'll get to see that how Can and Senem fall in love with each other, and it has lot of jealousy scenes. Can character is very possessive, so it has lot of jealousy scenes. So it has office romance, and overall this series is a very good series to binge watch. Fourth one is Dolunay. In English we say Full Moon. It's a sweet rom-com Turkish series and it has a beautiful love story of Nazli and Ferit. So Nazli belongs to a poor family and she's a chef. On other hand, Ferit belongs to a very rich family and he's a rich businessman. So Nazli gets a job in Ferit house as a cook, but their first meeting was not good, so it started with a fight. So you'll get to see that enemies to lover vibe. So it has boss employee relationship, and also they get into a contract marriage with each other. How? For that you have to watch it. And I love their chemistry, they look so beautiful together. So it has comedy, romance, and a very sweet happy ending, so you'll enjoy watching this one. Next is Tatle Intikam. In English we say Sweet Revenge. Okay, this series is a package of romance, emotions, comedy, and I love the chemistry between the main leads. So, if I talk about the storyline, so Pelin belongs to a very rich family, and her fiance abandons her on their wedding day, which shocks her completely because she had a dream that she has find the right one, she'll get married to him and have a happy life. But this doesn't happen, it just completely opposite happens to her. On other hand, Sinan is a successful chef and he hates Pelin because she rejected his proposal during college days and humiliated him in front of whole college. So you'll get to see that love-hate relationship between them. Also, you'll get to see that Pelin will work under Sinan in his restaurant. So it has boss-employee relationship, comedy, romance, jealousy, and their chemistry is amazing. So you must binge watch this one. Sixth is Senchal Kapami. In English, we say Love is in the Air. So it's another popular rom-com Turkish series, and the story revolves around Eda and Sarkan. So Eda is a poor young girl who is a florist, and she hates Sarkan because she was unable to complete her education. Her scholarship got rejected by Sarkan company. On other hand, Sarkan is a rich businessman, belongs to a very rich family. So you'll get to see the enemies to lover vibes between them. Also, they both enter into a contractual relationship where Sarkan offers Eda to be his fake fiance for a period of 2 months. If she accepts this offer, he will finance her education. Why this happens, for that you have to watch this series. So in that period, they both end up falling in love with each other. So you'll enjoy watching their amazing chemistry, comedy, romance, jealousy scenes, and it has a very beautiful happy ending. And now comes the last one, which is Kiralik Ashk. In English, we say Love for Rent. This is one of my most favorite rom-com Turkish series. So if you love watching romantic kind of a series, then you should watch this one. You can't miss this series, especially for the beginners. If you are looking for rom-com, you have to start with this. It's an amazing series. So the story revolves around Omar and Daphne. Daphne is a poor girl working as a waiter. On other hand, Omar is a rich businessman. If I talk about the storyline, so Daphne gets into a major crisis where she has to save her brother from huge debt. But there comes a twist where Neriman, aunt of Omar, she offers a financial help to Daphne. But in return of that, Daphne has to get into a fake relationship with Omar where she has to work with Omar as his personal assistant, as well as she has to make Omar fall in love with her, get married to him, but after marriage she has to leave him. But in that period, Daphne ends up falling in love with Omar. Also, Omar falls in love with Daphne, and I love their chemistry. They look so good together. So you'll enjoy watching the office romance, comedy, and it has lot of jealousy scenes and a very beautiful happy ending. So you must binge watch this one. So that's it for all. I hope you enjoyed watching the part 1 list of rom-com Turkish series. I'll be discussing about the part 2 list as well in further videos, and also please let me know in the comment section what more topics you want me to discuss further. I'll be happy to read those comments. So happy watching.